Better Engineering designs and manufactures parts washing equipment. These are not little washing machines like you have in your house. They're not even kind of big washing machines that you might see in industrial kitchens or something like that. A lot of these are big industrial pieces of equipment. They're automated, really complex machines. So when I say that we design and manufacture, I should put a lot more emphasis on the design because we do have a best-in-class engineering department.
Better Engineering started in 1960. My father, Bill Hiss, was the founder. He invented and patented a machine called a torque converter flusher, which became a staple piece of equipment in automatic transmission shops around the world. Then I joined in 1980 and we started developing automatic parts cleaning systems, water-based cleaning systems, and then quickly moved into the manufacturing arena. And today we're selling machines to manufacturers, to aerospace companies, and even into food and pharmaceutical plants.
The business was always everything. You know, my parents, they worked together as a team. And obviously throughout the years, they made sacrifices. I would say they lived a modest lifestyle because the business always came first. Their goal was to see the business grow, the family grow. It's just amazing.
Better Engineering started in the basement of an auto repair shop. So seeing where we've come from then to now is amazing. We wash everything from automotive components to space components, jet engine components, to organic waste bins, to medical waste bins, and into food, pharma, and beverage.
The most cutting edge thing is just everything being able to be done in-house. We don't have to outsource to other vendors, from cutting the sheet metal, bending the sheet metal, to producing the equipment. All that is done here on our shop floor.
Different industries that we work in, aerospace, automotive, it takes our machine to make their process better. So I feel like we have a hand in a little bit of everything.
We're shipping them worldwide. We're shipping them to the Middle East. We're shipping them to Europe. We're going to Australia. We're all over the place. China buys our machinery. That's how great Better Engineering is. That's how great our product is. That's how great our company is. Put our machine into a country that doesn't like to buy from anybody, but they buy ours. And they get a great product all the time.
Again, sustainability is just such an important initiative for a lot of companies. So our washers, you have recirculated water, so it's saving on water usage. And another is chemistry usage. We want to show companies that they can save on their water usage and chemistry, and then also look at making the process more lean, which is another really important component, making sure that the process is much more efficient and effective, and of course, productive.
One of my favorite things about working here is thinking about the way that our machinery touches the world. And the best way that I can describe that to anybody is when they ask me, hey, what do you do? What does your machinery actually clean? I tell somebody, look around you right now. What do you see around you? You probably just saw 5 things that have been through one of Better Engineering's machines. It's just a really unseen but extremely important part of the world that we live in.
My grandfather, at his start, was simply trying to fix torque converters. And over the years, we've evolved to not just fixing torque converters, but helping massive multinational corporations solve some of their most difficult parts cleaning challenges, in addition to helping them tackle some of their major sustainability initiatives. So helping them save on water, helping them save on chemistry, and then in doing so, making this world a much better place and a safer place to live.